As we know that Nawal is a new student at the University Teknologi Mara UITM. She requires or want to buy a new computer for her studies. She will use the computer for assignment using utility software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and also Access. Besides that, she also needs to use programming software such as VBNet and also C++. Authoring software such as Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director. In addition, Nawal also needs a computer that should be able to support large graphics for gaming and a good sound system for watching a movie either in CD or DVDs. She also requires a large storage capacity to store her files. The first slide, which is about the motherboard. In this slide, I will explain more detail about the motherboard. For motherboard, I suggest to Nawal to buy the Gigabyte H410M S2 V3 Intel H410. This is because this motherboard supports 10 Gen Intel Core processor, dual-channel non-ECC unbuffered DDR4 2 DIMMs, 8-channel HD audio with high-quality audio capacitors, Gigabyte exclusive 8118 gaming LAN with bandwidth management. Smart Fan 5 features multiple temperature sensors and hybrid fan heaters with fan stop. All new Gigabyte App Center, simple and also easy use. And last but not least, it's anti-sulfur resistor design. In this slide, I put a specification overview of this motherboard. And the next slide, I will explain in more detail about this motherboard. Second is about cooling. For cooling part, this motherboard uses Smart Fan 5. It can ensure that our gaming PC can maintain its performance while staying cool. Smart Fan 5 allows users to interchange their fan heaters to reflect sensors at different thermal sensors at different locations on the motherboard. Next is fan stop. This motherboard also uses the fan stop. What a function of fan stop? Fan stop may any fan to a complete stop when the temperature drops below a specified threshold, which fan stop based on the reading from which sensor and at what temperature according to our wishes. And last but not least, I will explain about audio in this motherboard. In this motherboard, it uses high-end audio capacitor and audio noise guard. Okay, high-end audio capacitor help deliver high resolution and high fidelity audio to provide the most realistic sound effect for gamers. Meanwhile, for audio noise guard, its function to essentially separate the both sensitive analog audio components from potential noise pollution at the PCB level.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kaihaki bin Muhammad Azhar.
Assalamualaikum. For computer case, we suggest Nawal to buy Invention ZMS Micro ATX Gaming Desktop Casing. The model for this desktop case is 6 Spider ARGB fan. The price for this desktop case is RM175 and it's still affordable for purchase. The model number is ZMS. The desktop cases material is chassis 0.6 mm SPCC. Tempered glass on left side panel. Multi-board support is MTAX and ITX. The PSU type of this desktop case is ATX PSU, bottom located. For the TOP panel I/O ports is USB 3.0 multiple 1 plus USB 2.0 multiple 1. HD audio light control key. The HDD bay is 3.5 HDD multiple 2, 2.5 SSD multiple 2. There are 4 slots for expansion slot of this desktop case. This desktop case supports up to 340mm maximum. VGA card and CPU cooler height is 155mm. The fan cooler at front is 3 multiple 120mm. Top is 2 multiply 120mm and rear is 1 multiple 120mm. The liquid cooling at front is 120 per 240 water cooling radiator and rear 1 multiple 120mm water cooling radiator. Chassis size for this desktop case is for length 315, wide 153 and height is 319mm. And case size is for length 353, wide 193 and for height is 415mm.
So I will continue to present on my part about hardware. We suggest to Nawa for choosing the Intel Core i7 as a processor. The Intel Core i7 is a great processor from Intel with enough cores and threads to perform most tasks. The Intel Core i7 is a great choice for Nawa since it offers a lot of value. The Intel Core i7 is a desktop processor having 16MB of L3 cache, 8 cores and 16 threads with a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz. The Intel i7 supports 4K resolution and fully utilizes the integrated graphic technology. The price for this processor is around 1,499. Even though this Intel Core i7 is quite pricey, but it works for a long time. Then for system memory, we suggest Nawa to use Corsair version LPX DDR4 with the memory capacity 8GB. The memory speed for this range is 2666 MHz. The price for this memory is around 178. Corsair version LPX memory is intended for high performance overclocking. Next, for graphic card, we suggest for Nawa to use graphic card GeForce GTX 1660 Super TM Venture AXOS. It comes up 1050 MHz boot clock and the memory speed with 14 GB per second. Then the standard memory for this graphic card is 6 GB. This graphic is suitable for her as a gamer and creator. This graphic card using Tor X Fan 2.0 consists of the Persian fan blade and traditional fan blade. The price for this graphic card is around 740. Then for hard disk, we suggest Nawa to buy hard disk Samsung AST X60 Evo with 1TB. The price for this hard disk is around 691. This hard disk is specially designed to enhance performance of mainstream PCs and laptops. With the later V9 technology, this fast and durable SD comes in a wide range of compatible form factors and capacities. The speeds are more consistent and sustained. even with heavy workloads and multiply tasks. This Samsung SD860 Evo offers optimized performance for everyday computing as well as rendering large-size 4K videos and 3D data used by the latest application. Then, for DVD-ROM, we suggest Nawa for using the ASUS TRW24B1ST. This DVD-ROM is a great SATA DVD burner with a wide range compatibility and reasonable price. The price for this hard disk is around 193. It also comes with e-green engine technology, which helps save energy by automatically shutting draft application when not in use. Overall, the ASUS is a great DVD burner because it's fast, compatible with all formats, and burns quickly and silently.
I'm going to tell you about a software. The software is Windows 10 Pro OEM 64-bit. This OEM Windows 10 prefer to Windows 10 system pre-installed in computer made by original equipment manufacturer. You can get at the link below, and the price is 599 ringgit. The next software is Office XP SBE OEM. Microsoft Office XP Small Business is designed for users who require only the core desktop productivity tool, integrating productivity innovation through its program. You can get at the link below for the price 399 ringgit.
For the first input device need by Nawal is Hightouch M331 Silent Plus wireless mouse. It is a strong, a simple and kindly user's mouse. It is wireless with 2.4 GHz interface up to 33 feet, which is 10-meter wireless connection, so it will easier for Nawal to move freely without wire connected to the computer. For the performance, it has over 19 noise reduction, and this means Nawal will not be disturbed with the sound and can work in peace. Then the design. The design and the quality by the mouse is designing to be trendy and stylish with built by plastic and rubber. It has a rubber wheel for quiet scrolling and gliding. Also soft rubber contour grip for total comfort. It is good to go mouse since it uses two AAA batteries. Also no need any software to be installed and compatible with any operating system. The price for the mouse is still in affordable range, which is 59 ringgit and can be purchased through Shopee. Second, the keyboard. I would recommend HyperX Alloy Core RGB gaming keyboard. It features HyperX signature radiant light bar and smooth. Also dynamic RGB lighting effect. It emits brilliance with budget with 6 various lighting effect and 3 brightness level. The Alloy Core RGB was built with a tough and reinforced plastic frame. It has many advantages and reasons to be purchased, such as the polling rate 1000 enters up to 120 ml of liquid, also 1.8 length cable and reasonable size, which is width 443.20 mm, and for the depth 175.31 mm, and for the height 35 and 68 mm. It also still in affordable range, which is 239 ringgit and can be purchased through online shopping, which is Shopee.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nashafika binti Asmawi, metric number 2020859268. Today I would like to present my part, which is output devices. Number one is printer from HP. This product is affordable, high quality, print all the quality photo and document what we need. Print, scan and copy what you need quickly with available all in one. And it's only 198 ringgit. Number two is a speaker from Sonic Gear Quattro 2. 2.0 USB powered micro speaker without of this word audio power. 4 built-in bass reflex panel for deep and powerful bass, and it's only 24.90. And the last one is for monitor from Acer. It's come with power cable and VGA cable, and it's only 389 ringgit. Thank you.
In conclusion, we think that we have fulfilled all the elements that was required by NAWAL, with the total price is Rm5,652.90. With all the components in it, we believe that NAWAL will be satisfied with our suggestion because we have suggested the latest computer for her. Each student nowadays has a high need for a personal computer in order to fulfill the work to them, particularly Nawal, who is an aspiring programmer who will want a specification that is above average for her programming assignment. For software, we suggest Nawal to buy Windows 10 Pro OEM 64-byte. OEM Windows 10 refers to the Windows 10 system pre-installed in computers made by original equipment manufacturers. As a student, the storage capacity specification suggests that the solid-state drive is quite large enough to store her file. Next, the specification of the speaker suggests a better sound system. Now she will be more focused on online class and will be highly satisfied to watch the movies, whether it's on CD or DVDs. Therefore, all the specifications mentioned above are in accordance with Nawal's wishes and can help him to buy a computer. All specifications such as hardware, software, output device and input device that we have suggested are the latest suitable for the use of students such as Nawal.